The holiday season is a time for magic, laughter, and connection, but it often comes with its share of travel-related stress. Rising costs, crowded airports, and unpredictable weather can easily dampen your festive cheer. However, with a little preparation and smart decision-making, you can travel affordably and enjoyably this winter season. In this video, I will provide you with detailed tips to navigate holiday travel while keeping your budget intact. Before I start sharing the tips and tricks for an affordable winter escapade, do you know the title of this song? Leave your answers down below, and at the end of this video, I will tell you the title of that song.
In one horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
For my tip number 1, book early and leverage price alerts. Booking your travel arrangements as early as possible is one of the simplest ways to save money. Airlines and hotels often raise prices as the holiday season approaches, leaving last-minute travelers to pay a premium. Use tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to compare prices and identify the best deals. Many of these platforms allow you to set up price alerts, which notify you when there's a drop in airfare or hotel rates for your desired destination. Flexibility is key. If your travel dates aren't set in stone, search for flights a few days before or after your target dates. Flying midweek or at less popular times, like early mornings or late nights, can significantly reduce your costs. For accommodations, consider booking directly through hotel websites, as some chains offer price match guarantees or additional perks like free breakfast or Wi-Fi. Next is to be flexible with your destinations. The holidays are a perfect time to think creatively about where you're going. If visiting family is your goal, your destination is fixed. But if you're planning a winter vacation, consider lesser-known spots. For instance, instead of flocking to popular ski destinations like Aspen or Park City, explore smaller resorts that may lack some luxuries, but still offer excellent slopes and charm. Similarly, if you're seeking warm weather, skip tourist hotspots like Cancun and check out quieter alternatives like Isla Mujeres or San Juan del Sur in Nicaragua. These destinations often have fewer crowds, lower prices, and a more relaxed vibe. This is a pro tip for you. Use social media platforms or travel forums to discover hidden gems or off-the-beaten-path destinations. Travelers often share budget-friendly tips and recommendations for unique experiences. This is tip number 3, maximize rewards points and travel perks. Do you have unused credit card points, airline miles, or hotel loyalty rewards? The holidays are the ideal time to put them to use. Many people accumulate points throughout the year, but forget to redeem them. Check your credit card's rewards portal for flight, hotel, or car rental redemptions. Some programs also offer cashback options, which you can use to offset travel expenses. If you're low on points, consider combining them with cash to stretch their value further. Remember, some reward programs have blackout dates or limited availability during peak travel periods, so plan early. Additionally, certain credit cards provide perks like free checked bags, travel insurance, and airport lounge access, which can save you money and enhance your travel experience. Baggage fees can quickly add up, especially when traveling with gifts or winter gear. That is why my next tip is to pack smart and avoid luggage fees. Many airlines now charge $30 to $50 for each checked bag, so packing strategically can help you avoid these costs. Stick to a carry-on bag and pack versatile clothing that can be layered. Use packing cubes to organize your items and maximize space. When traveling with gifts, consider shipping them ahead of time to your destination. This eliminates the risk of lost or delayed luggage and avoids TSA issues with wrapped presents. If you must carry gifts, leave them unwrapped or use gift bags for easy inspection. For winter travel, bulky items like coats or boots can be worn during transit to free up luggage space. Accessories like compression bags or vacuum seal storage can help you pack efficiently without exceeding weight limits. Transportation costs don't end with your flight. Getting around at your destination can also strain your budget, especially if you're renting a car. That is why you need to save on ground transportation. To save on car rentals, book early and use comparison sites like Turo, Expedia, or Priceline. Opt for smaller vehicles, manual transmissions, or off-airport rental locations to save even more. If your trip doesn't require a car, use rideshare apps like Uber or Lyft, or take advantage of public transportation options like buses or metro systems. For shorter trips, consider carpooling services or apps like BlaBlaCar, which connect travelers heading in the same direction. If you're driving your own vehicle, a quick tune-up before hitting the road can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Did you know that traveling in winter can make you feel closer to outer space? During the colder months, the Earth's atmosphere contracts due to lower temperatures, which means airplanes flying at cruising altitude are technically closer to space than they are in summer. While the difference is small, it's a cool thought to ponder as you look out the window at the icy landscape below. Accommodations can be one of the most expensive parts of any trip, but there are plenty of ways to cut costs without sacrificing comfort. For our sixth hack, choose budget-friendly accommodations. Consider alternatives to traditional hotels, such as Airbnb, VRBO, or home exchange, where you can find unique properties often priced lower than standard hotels. Hostels aren't just for backpackers. Many now offer private rooms and family-friendly amenities at affordable rates. If you're traveling with a group, splitting the cost of a vacation rental can be much cheaper than booking multiple hotel rooms. Bonus, vacation rentals often come with fully equipped kitchens, allowing you to save money by cooking your own meals. Look for seasonal promotions or use loyalty points to book stays at budget-friendly hotels. Don't forget to check for discounts through memberships like UPOA, ARP, or military programs. Next with my tips is to plan meals wisely. Planning meals wisely can significantly cut down on travel expenses. Start by packing snacks like granola bars, trail mix, or crackers for flights or road trips. These non-perishable items can minimize the need to purchase overpriced food at airports or gas stations. If your accommodation includes a kitchen, consider stocking up on groceries and preparing simple meals. Even in a hotel room, items like oatmeal cups or sandwiches can save you from frequent restaurant visits while keeping things convenient. When dining out, seek out local food trucks, street vendors, or small family-owned eateries. These often offer authentic, delicious meals at much lower prices than traditional restaurants. Apps like Yelp and TripAdvisor can guide you to budget-friendly dining options, helping you make informed choices. Exploring these lesser-known spots also provides a more immersive taste of the local culture. Another effective way to save is by taking advantage of lunch specials or prix-fixe menus at restaurants. Lunch offerings are typically more affordable than dinner, allowing you to enjoy the same quality at a reduced price. By planning your meals strategically, you can enjoy the culinary aspects of your destination without breaking the bank. Don't forget to prepare for winter challenges. Winter travel comes with its own set of complications, from snowstorms to icy roads. Being prepared can save you both time and money. If you're flying, try to book direct flights whenever possible. Layovers increase the risk of delays or cancellations due to weather. When road tripping, ensure your vehicle is ready for winter conditions by checking tire pressure, antifreeze levels, and brakes. Pack essentials like blankets, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and extra food and water in case of unexpected detours. Additionally, download apps like Waze or AccuWeather to stay informed about road conditions and weather updates. Travel insurance is another smart investment for winter trips. Look for policies that cover weather-related cancellations, lost baggage, and medical emergencies. Tip number 9 is to take advantage of free entertainment and activities. Exploring a new destination doesn't have to be expensive, as many places offer free or low-cost activities that immerse you in the local culture. Seasonal events such as festivals, holiday markets, light displays, and community parades often provide a festive atmosphere without any entry fees. These gatherings are a perfect way to enjoy the local vibe and connect with the community while keeping your budget in check. Outdoor adventures also offer a cost-effective way to experience a destination. Activities like hiking scenic trails, sledding on snowy hills, or ice skating at local parks or recreation areas are not only affordable, but also let you soak in the natural beauty of the area. These experiences are a fantastic way to create lasting memories while staying active and enjoying the outdoors. Don't forget to explore cultural attractions like museums, which often have free or discounted admission on certain days. Planning ahead can help you take advantage of these offers and enhance your trip with meaningful experiences. To stay informed about such opportunities, check local tourism websites or use apps like Eventbrite to discover free or budget-friendly events happening during your stay. With a little research, you can enjoy the best of what a destination has to offer without straining your wallet. And my last tip for you is to stay positive and adapt to challenges. Traveling during the holidays can be chaotic, but maintaining a positive attitude can make a world of difference. Delays, crowds, and unexpected expenses are common, so prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. Download meditation apps like Headspace or Calm to practice mindfulness during stressful moments. Bring a book, podcasts, or a travel journal to keep yourself entertained during downtime. Lastly, remember why you're traveling: to connect with loved ones, explore new places, or simply take a break from your routine. A little patience and flexibility can turn travel mishaps into memorable adventures. If your answer is Jingle Bells, technically, you are right and wrong. Jingle Bells wasn't originally a Christmas song. It was written in 1857 by James Lord Pierpont for a Thanksgiving church service and was originally titled One Horse Open Sleigh. Now that you're ready, click that Book Now button, pack your bags, and start your wonderful holiday travel. If you enjoyed this video, and if you're still deciding where to go this winter, why don't you watch this next video on why people are going to Costa Rica this winter?